Hello plants lover, how are you? I hope viewers you are fine and doing well. Today I am going to share the very beautiful plant decoration ideas where we turn every space into green paradise. We are exploring even more innovative and stylish plant decor ideas that will elevate your home and bring nature indoors. Let's dive into some fresh and exciting plant inspiration. First on our list is stunning, beautiful flower known for its glossy, heart-shaped leaf and vibrant red or pink flower. It's a great way to add a pop of color and sophistication. Place it in a bright spot with indirect light and keep the soil consistently moist. If you love a plant with texture, the rattlesnake plant is perfect for you. Its striking wavy leaves with intricate pattern can add a unique touch to your decor. It prefers a bit more humidity, so a bathroom or a room with humidifier work well. For those who want to create a serene atmosphere, try adding bamboo palm to your space. Its feathery, arcing leaves create a calming effect and is excellent at purifying the air. Ideal for living rooms or bedroom, it thrives in bright indirect light. For a splash of greenery on your wall, consider installing a wall-mounted plant pocket. This fabric planter can hold a variety of small plants like herbs, succulents, or ferns, creating a living wall that adds both beauty and functionality. Want to make a bold statement? Try using large sculptural plants like the alocasia or the elephant ear. The dramatic foliage can act as a focal point in a room. Place them in a spacious area with bright indirect light to really let their grandeur shine. Looking for a compact solution, miniature plant like the baby steers or a miniature ferns can be perfect for desks or small shelves. Their delicate appearance adds a touch of greenery without overwhelming the space. Incorporating plant into your decor with creative DIY project. For example, create a plant ledger by attaching wooden shelves to a ladder frame. This can hold multiple plants of varying height, adding a stylish and functional element to any room. Consider integrating plants into your furniture. For example, plant insert can be added to coffee table or end tables, creating a living centerpiece that blends seamlessly into your existing room. Viewers, if you want more ideas like these, then viewers just leave the comment below. I will upload more ideas like these for you on my YouTube channel for my lovely viewers. If you are a fan of hanging planters, try creating a tiered plant hanger using macrame. This layer approach can showcase multiple plants in a single eye-catching display. It's perfect for adding greenery to high-ceilinged room or interways. For a more minimalistic look, use simple monochromatic planters. Neutral color like white, grey or beige can create a sleek modern look. Combine them with a plant like the double Z plant or snake plant for a clean, cohesive design. A fun and quirky idea is to use plant hanger made for recycled material. Old basket, fabric scraps or even wooden crates can be transformed into a unique plant holder. This not only adds character to your decor but also promotes sustainability. For those who love a touch of luxury, consider using crystal or glass planters. These elegant containers can turn any plant into a stunning focal point. They work particularly well into smaller plant or succulent, highlighting their beauty through clear, sparkling material. If you are looking to add some greenery to your outdoor spaces, don't forget about patio and balcony plant. Choose hardy options like the lavender, which can thrive in varying weather conditions and bring color and fragrance to your outdoor areas. Incorporate plant into your home architectural features. For instance, use built-in shelves or nice to display plant. This can create a seamless integrated look where your plant becomes part of the room structure. For a dramatic effect, create a plant frame or a living artwork. Arrange plant in shadow boxes or framed grips to turn your greenery into a piece of art. This can be a stunning way to display a collection of plants in a cohesive artistic manner. Lastly, don't forget about the importance of plant maintenance. Regular check for pests, dust of leaves, and report when unnecessary. Keeping your plant healthy will ensure they continue to thrive and enhance your space beautifully. And there you have it, even more creative and stylish way to incorporate plant decor into your home. Viewers, these plant ideas surely inspire you for your next project because these flowery decoration will enhance your next project and you want to make these plants grow in your home with the help of this video, with the help of information I will tell you in this video. Which idea will you try in your home, in your next project? Also leave the comment below that which idea you try and which idea is successfully better for you for your home decor according to your architectural manner. There are many rich variety of plant decoration ideas and tips. Also tell me in comment section so I will upload more types of plant and ideas for you on my YouTube channel. Plant ideas that how to decorate your room and how to make plant hanging with your scraps. Viewers, you can also make versatile rubber tree with its large glossy leaves. It's added a bold touch to any room. It's perfect for creating a focal point in larger spaces and thrive with bright indirect light just to be sure to allow the top inch of soil to dry out between watering. If you are looking for a plant that thrives in low light, the double Z plant is an excellent choice. Its glossy dark leaves and tolerant for neglect make it perfect for offices and darker corner of your home. Add a touch of nature to your kitchen with a delightful chives or cilantro. These herbs not only look great in decorative pot but also provide fresh flavor for your cooking. Place them in a sandy wind soil and keep them well watered. I hope viewers you like this video, enjoy this video. For a touch of elegance and sophistication, the bird of paradise is a fantastic option. Its large geometrical leaf make it a statement piece in any room. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefer a bit more humidity, making it ideal for a well-lit living or a sunroom. Consider adding a bit of whimsy with a quick sting of heart. Its trailing vines with heart-shaped leaves can be draped over shelves or hung in macrame plant hanger for a playful and romantic touch. Which idea you like to try? Leave the comment. If you are a fan of modern idea, try incorporating more colorful pattern leaves. Add a splash of color interest to any room. It thrives in lower light condition and is relatively easy to take care of. So viewers, thanks for watching my video for end, and if you enjoyed this